Hey guys, Cyrus here from Talking Phones. And first of all, guys, a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of you. Hope you had a great year and hope you will have a better year next year. So, guys, today the phone we have is the Google Pixel 3. Yes, we finally got our hands on the Pixel 3 thanks to a very good friend of mine, Mickey. Thanks for the phone. So, guys, the phone we have is the Pixel 3 and not the XL variant. The only difference between both the phones is the screen size and the battery. Rest of the specs are the same. The processor is the same, the RAM is the same, the camera is the same. Even the front-facing speakers are the same. So guys, this is basically the first impression and unboxing video for the Pixel 3. Let's get right into it. So guys, first we can see that we find there is a SIM ejector tool and some booklets, of course, starter guides and stuff like that. So that, and of course you have the Google and teampixel sticker, which I really like. So these are the stuff you find in the booklet. Next up, we have the headphones. Now the Pixel 3 does not support 3.5 millimeter jack. That's why the headphones are USB Type-C as well. These earbuds basically come with ear grips as well, which is a good thing because you can wear them out as well, like for running or something like that, and they won't easily pop out. So plus USB Type-C, so the quality should be pretty good. Next up we have is the cable. So it's a USB Type-C cable both ways. So both ends are USB Type-C. Okay, next up is the USB Type-C to 3.5 millimeter jack. They come with the phone, so that if you have an old headphone set, or if you want to use any other headphones rather than the ones which come out of the box, you can use them as well. Next we have the USB Type-C OTG, which basically helps you connect either a USB device directly to your phone, or if you want to connect your phone to a laptop or a PC which does not have a USB Type-C port. Finally, we have the charging brick. Here you can see that it also has the USB Type-C slot. That's why the cable has USB Type-C both ways. So basically, so this is all we get from the Pixel 3. So it's actually a good amount of stuff, though you normally don't see a lot of them with a lot of phones these days. So which is a good thing. Google actually made sure to put them all in. Now just looking at the phone seems very snappy because of course it is running the purest version of Android which Google made, and of course they'll put it in their own flagship device. So the phone itself feels very snappy. It's running on Android 9, the latest update, which has night shift for the camera as well, so which is great. Here, let's do a quick test for the camera as well, and you can see the result, guys. It's just a single snap, and this is natural lighting, so I didn't have to put any extra lighting for the picture to come out as well. Rest guys, you can see that the software is quite smooth, like it is super buttery smooth. You have your stock options, you have your stock versions of your caller tunes, and of course when you drop down, when you hit the drop down menu, you can see the extra settings as well. The settings menu for Android 9 is quite colorful, as you can see. So we go to display, it has adaptive brightness. You go in battery, it helps you manage that. And what we get from Android 9 also is the digital well-being app, which basically helps you which basically tells you how much you use the phone and when you should quit using the phone, because clearly we use our phones way too much. Okay, from the software point of view, guys, as I said, it's running the latest Android 9 software. And when you click on it, you get a cool Easter egg, which I haven't seen in any other phone out there right now. So I think it's just a doodling pad. Yeah, and it's actually quite responsive, which is great, and which you basically should expect in a Pixel phone. Okay, now let's try this thing. Oh, it works very well. So, okay, so I'll tell you what this is basically. So you need to squeeze the sides of the phone and you can activate the Google Assistant. This is the cool feature which Google introduced. Well, HTC actually introduced it in their phones, but Google implemented in their Pixel as well. So it's actually quite a cool thing. So normally you don't expect this to use this, but when you use the phone more, you actually will. Coming to the front-facing speakers, guys, the phone comes with two very good quality front-facing speakers. They are way louder than most of your down-firing speakers which you find in most of your smartphones these days, even the flagship ones. Of course, people might argue they take more space on the front of the screen, but honestly, it doesn't bother me at all. Like literally at all, because I do prefer better sound than more screen space. Yeah, I actually said that. So okay, let's just try out the speakers, guys. Then, so let's just see if we can find something nice to play. Okay, let's try this out.
I'm so happy you're here tonight. It's once in a lifetime. A song comes along, defines a generation. A song that unites us all together in beautiful harmony. John Lennon's Imagine, Marvin Gaye's What's Going On. But never has a song so clearly defined, a billion times powerful stuff. Heard it many. Just remembered I don't like olives. The definitive version.
Guys, I don't know if the mic was able to pick up that, but the sound is actually quite loud. It really is. This was basically the unboxing and the first impressions video. Hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon as well for more videos such as these. Until next time, guys, have a great holiday. Take care. See you next year. Bye, guys.